Welcome to the Automaticist. Hello and welcome. So today I will be showing you how to do something that I just sort of thought of last night. So basically what we're doing is making a user account on Windows that just shuts down the computer. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you need is any computer that runs Windows that you have full control over. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Settings, and if you don't have it pinned to your taskbar, it's just right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to Family and Other Users. So I've already made some random account. We're going to just make another one. It's going to pull up this thing from Microsoft account. We're just going to say we don't have this person's sign-in information. Add a user without a Microsoft account. It doesn't really matter what you call it. I like to use fictional characters. So don't mind if I do. Now in terms of a password, this account is not going to be used for anything, so we don't need to make a password. There we go, Mario, local account. Now, we're going to actually switch over to my phone recording because we're going to be designing it just to shut down the computer, and it's not going to make any sense to just, have a screen recording for just a few seconds. So I'll see you when we log in as Mario. Okay, so we are on the lock screen now, and so we have this account called Mario. We are going to log in, and I'm not going to show you this whole process because it does take quite a bit. Okay, so now that we are on the brand new account for Mario, we can go and we can open up the task scheduler. Here we go. Task scheduler is going to come up. We are going to create a task. We are going to call it turn off computer. Okay. Configure for Windows 10. We're going to run with the highest privilege. No. I don't think we need to do that. Turn off computer. Click OK. Test name at least one act. So we're going to go to Actions. We're going to go to New. Start a program. Now this is where we type in shutdown.exe-s-t00. I believe. Yes. Edit. Yeah, okay. So that's how it wants this to work. That's how that works. Okay, conditions. Then we want you want to add the trigger, new. Alright, this is where we set it up to happen at logon. When I log on, it doesn't matter anything like that. Done. It has to be run on demand. Okay, conditions. Okay, we can save that. So now what we will do is we will sign out. And now, when we sign in, bam, shutting down. It just happens immediately. You don't even get to the desktop. It's just like another power button. So that is how you do that. So if Mario ever gains access to this computer, well, that would be bad because that would mean that Bowser also exists, and we don't want Bowser attacking us. So, yeah. If you want to, make that account, name it like something for like your friend. Every time they go to log on, it just shuts down the computer. You can do that. So that's how you do that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.